Just magnetising this sewing needle by rubbing a magnet in one direction down 1/2. Okay, so that should be enough. I'm going to just put it on this very gently onto this floating oak leaf. And I'm going to give it a little push so it's turning. It's turning and it should rest in a north direction. So you can see that is pointing north. Let's give it another push and see. Let go.
Oh, get off, ow, ow, ow.
Okay, and it's turning back to north. And we can check that on our little compass that's here, that's now moved because it's magnetising towards our needle, which is a bit annoying actually.
Mummy, can I film
So we can see it's turning back and pointing north.